Hi, welcome to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve this problem without the use of an AI or a calculator. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. If x times y means y times x minus y, find the value of 3.124 times 1.39. A. 2.41324. B. 3.24026. C. 4.00236. D. 2.41026. E. 2.313456. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem. The boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method is substituting the values of x and y according to the data given. We get 1.39 times 3.124 minus 1.39. That is 1.39 times 1.734, which is equal to 2.41026. And the answer is letter D. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 90 seconds, as this is a calculation-intensive problem. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option D, 2.41026. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it quickly gave us the answer, and the answer is option D, which is correct. That was fast. Now let's try this on Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option D. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem. Alright, that was a quick one. It also gave us the answer D, which is correct. That was as fast as ChatGPT. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Just get to the 1.39 times 1.734 level. Note that the product of these two numbers should be 2 plus 3 equals 5 digits after the decimal point. This eliminates option E. Also, the product of the last digits is 6. 9 times 4 equals 36. Hence, 6 should be the last digit of the answer. This eliminates option A. Also note that 13 times 17 is greater than 200. Hence, the answer should be a number starting with 2 something. Hence, the answer is option D. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.